So guys, let's take in English a little bit over here. Again, kung lagi location ng tour natin.
We are here for our second tour.
Check-in. We're actually at the 7-Eleven getting some fish now. Guys, it's gonna be a nice and small group today. How are you? Okay.
Here we are at our second tour, which is the Christianshavn Tour. So we come along this place, there's this cafe, and we'll see many other places.
Oh, I think it's a restaurant now. Oh, okay. And this yellow one is like their bus. Water taxi like that? Yes, correct. But it's a bus version, cheaper. I think water taxi very expensive. The road is so flat. There's a pop-up cafe right now. It used to be like a tower. They don't use it anymore because everything is electronic. Remotely.
It's 3:46 local time and they are having their dinner. There's an organic wine bar right beside. We continue our journey to the home of foreign affairs. At the foreign affairs, we learn about Canada and Denmark history. And we continue our journey to Christianshavn's house. In case you are wondering who is this guy, is the author that wrote Little Mermaid and many other stories. And we even learn about his sad history. So, yep. We arrive at this Church of Survivor. You will need to pay a certain fee to get up. So, do go and visit if you can. Thank you.